Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce recoil in Rainbow Six Siege. Start by optimizing your weapon attachments. The vertical grip is crucial, offering a substantial reduction in vertical kick. For barrel attachments, consider the flash hider to minimize first shot recoil and muzzle flash, or the compensator to significantly reduce horizontal spread during sustained fire. These choices are fundamental to gaining better control over your weapon's kickback. Next, consider the angled grip, which boosts your aim-down sight speed by approximately 25%, allowing quicker target acquisition, though it doesn't directly reduce recoil. Also, some operators possess weapons with naturally lower recoil patterns, making them easier to manage. Selecting these operators can provide an inherent advantage in gunfights, complementing your attachment choices for superior weapon stability. Beyond attachments, mastering recoil control involves technique. The most vital skill is pulling down on your mouse or right stick to counter vertical kick. Additionally, employing burst fire, especially for longer engagements, significantly improves accuracy by resetting the recoil pattern. Experiment with your sensitivity settings. A lower sensitivity can offer finer control, making it easier to manage weapon sway. Finally, consistent practice is key. Spend time in the shooting range or custom games to actively train your recoil control with various weapons. Don't be afraid to experiment with different attachment combinations and operator loadouts. Regularly reviewing your performance and adapting your approach will lead to significant improvements in your ability to consistently hit your shots and dominate engagements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.